Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to make the Gmail app as a default email on your iPhone running iOS 18.2. So since the release of the new iOS 18.2, the default app has been moved to a different place, and I'll show you how to make Gmail as your default email app. So first you want to go ahead and open up settings. Next you want to scroll down until you see apps. From here you want to go ahead and find the default apps, which is right here. Tap on it. Now from here, go ahead and tap on email, and now you'll get the option to choose Gmail or the normal iPhone mail. So if you don't have Gmail installed, you won't see this option. If you have Gmail installed, you'll see two mail programs here. So go ahead and choose Gmail and then go back. And now you have set the default email, which is Gmail app. So there you go guys, that is how to make Gmail the default email app on your iPhone running iOS 18.2. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.